Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This session focuses on the economic aspects of the use of English language in Pakistan. I hope and expect by the end of this session you would be able to understand the dimensions of economic aspects that are related to the use of English in Pakistan. Well, my dear students, if we look at the current socio-economic status of Pakistan, English language is playing a very, very key role. It is playing very central role in that regard. When it particularly comes to the job market and when it comes to, the job market needs, English is one of the basic requirements. When the recruiters recruit, when the interviewers interview, when the people advertise jobs, in all these situations, one of the basic requirements that they look for is proficiency in the use and usage of English language. This, is all, playing a significant role in the context where the bifurcation is already created through the education system of Pakistan, where, the English medium institutions, and the pedagogy that is in English, that serves as a feeding stream, for the job market in Pakistan. It is very, troublesome, and it's very disappointing in so many ways that, a lot of bright children, a lot of bright young boys and girls in Pakistan who are very intelligent but who are not proficient in English and who are the products of the Urdu medium stream, when it comes to the economic aspect of life, when it comes to, entering into the job market, they do not get good jobs. They are not placed on the higher ranks simply for the reason that they are not fluent in English language, or they are, they don't have the competence, in both the written and the spoken skills. There is a common cliche about, English language in Pakistan, that it is a key to national progress. It is considered to be a passport to success and upward social mobility. Well, I would not go much into the truth related to these cliches because we as a nation already share that. What I would talk about is how these cliches, they reflect, in fact, the perception of many people. They reflect the attitude of people. They reflect the attitude of people towards languages, towards English language, and towards the users of languages, and especially towards the users of English language. So, these cliches reflect the perception of all the rich and the poor people, all the classes of society, when it comes to discussing the future of Pakistan in terms of opportunities that are available to children. In fact, the race for individual prosperity and economic development at the national level seems to have overtaken the issues of class, identity, and fear of cultural invasion from an erstwhile colonial language. And, people are, giving up their local languages, their mother tongues in favor of, English language, because they think this is a key to economic success in Pakistan. When we look at the present age, economic dimensions of our nation, these aspects of language choice are far more dominant than any other choice. In fact, in today's world, economics has come to play an increasingly important role in the popular aspirations of the people of the country. Everybody wants to be rich, everybody wants to be economically strong, and for that, it is considered that English language would serve, as a route or as a channel for that. So this leads us to the point where we need to think that if ever any endeavors are to be made to revolutionize the socioeconomic indicators of Pakistan, this needs to improve the education system of Pakistan. This needs to improve the education system of Pakistan, particularly with reference to the teaching and learning processes that are related to English language. because the crux of the argument is that learning English in pursuit of long-term economic gains is a significant social indicator in today's Pakistan. And when it comes to the government's point of view or perspective, it is in consonance with the current global clamor of promoting education for, for removing poverty from the country. So, English language is in so many ways related to the economic aspects of Pakistan that its significance cannot be denied.